Here are 9 reasons why this should be your next steamer. Reason 1, they provide everything you need, including a high quality attachments like a mesh brush and a fur brush. And here is reason number 2.
It easily fits into a bag.
Or any bag that fits these measurements. Measuring it across, it's a little over 4 inches, and the width of it is a little over 3 inches, and measuring the height is about 8 inches long.
All right, let's see how much it weighs.
Reason 3, it's lightweight.
1 pound, 8.3 ounces.
Reason 4, it's easy to set up.
So before you even use this, you gotta fill it up with water. 100 milliliters. You get the bottom, it says push, and this comes out. You can see there's a max, and there's a place to put water. Okay, so it doesn't fill up all the way, that's okay. I'll close it, put it back now. All right, so you could even choose your brushes. Here's the mesh brush. They come with it. There you go. See, it's snug, very soft. You take it out, let's do this. And then here's the other one. Here's the brush. There you go. Very snug. That's what it looks like. All right, let's plug it in.
The steamer preheats the water pretty fast. When I click the power button on the steamer, it starts blinking, which means it's currently preheating the water. Let's fast forward a little bit, and as you can see, it only took 20 seconds to preheat the water.
Whoa.
And now it's ready to use. Reason 6, it's easy to use, and here is how you do it.
Whoa, dude. Can y'all see it? Yeah, steaming my desk. You press it again, turns off. This is steam level 1, this is 2, that's the highest steam. If I press it again, it could go back here, and it just goes back and forth. If I hold it for 3 seconds, then it turns off like that.
When you use the steamer continuously, you can use it 15 minutes straight. It also takes out the wrinkles from your clothes pretty fast.
I am going to use this steamer to see how long it takes to take out the wrinkle.
Wrinkle.
All right, I'm put it to level 2.
Whoa, look at that. Magic.
Ooh.
Whoa.
See, like that little spot versus this right here? Can you see
Yeah,
it?
there you go. Wow, that's so nice.
Whoa, look at
Whoa,
that.
look
That's
at the
cool.
magic.
This steamer is leak proof. You could use it vertically and horizontally with no water
As you
leakage.
can see, this is horizontal now. Earlier, I was doing it vertical. As you can see, there's no spill. No spill here. Wow. Vertical, horizontal. Pretty sturdy. It's good. I like it.
If you want to check the current pricing for this steamer, I'll put a link in the description below for you. Here are other videos similar to this one, and I'll see you at the next item.